Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps the students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Friends, in this video, we are going to discuss latest job openings in Udupi location. So let's get into the video without any delay. Attention, please don't pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job opening for marketing and sales executive from Bharat Financial Inclusion Limited. It is located in Udupi location, Karnataka. They are offering a salary range between 10,000 to 12,000 rupees per month. Job description is Bharat Money Officer. It is in the Department of Rural Distribution and Services Points (RDSP). You should report to team lead or state head RDSP. Coming to job profile, Bharat Money officers would be responsible for enrolling, managing and coordinating with all the Bharat Money stores operating in the branch vicinity, which includes the transaction monitoring, center linking or resolving any merchant issue. He or she will also need to coordinate with the HO Bharat Money team on any new initiatives and ensuring the smooth rollout in the field. So please check with the job profile mentioned here. Interested candidates, we can contact with the given two phone numbers. First one 8197377783, second one 9154504745. Firstly, there are two job positions available from Food Jojo company. First one for they are looking for outdoor business promoters, and second one for marketing executives. Firstly, we will discuss for this job position. It is located in Udupi location, Karnataka. They welcome careers and internship inquiries from passionate individuals who are interested in bringing innovative technology solutions to the public. So interested candidates, so you can mail to their email ID, that is careers@foodjojo.com. Job description is provided here. Coming that is Food Jojo is seeking a driven individual to lead its outside sales efforts by offering attractive commission based compensation. They seek an individual who is capable of managing a developed list of accounts as well as generating new leads and loyal customers. The focus of this position is customer satisfaction and revenue generation through retaining and increasing customer accounts by phone, fax, and also through email and in person. From prospective calling to completing the sale, this position will connect you with high profile business or community leaders and decision makers. So I have read all the points in the job description, so please check with the all details provided here. And interested candidates, so you can send your resumes to the provided email ID. This is second job opening, friends. There is a job opening for marketing executive from the same company, Food Jojo. For this position also, they welcome careers and internship inquiries from passionate individuals who are interested in bringing innovative technology solutions to the public. So interested candidates, so you can send your resumes to the provided email IDs. For this job position, job description will be to source and identify customers, to arrange site visits, closing the deals, promotions, should promote company's products and services, negotiating with customers, maintaining good relationship with customers pre and post sales, customers data management, to follow up with customers continuously. So these are the job requirements, so please check with the all details provided here. Interested candidates, you can send your resumes to the provided email ID, that is careers@foodjojo.com. Next, there is a job opening for customer care executive from 8space Broadband. It is located in Udupi location, Karnataka. They are looking for a well-spoken executive to lead their customer care team. He or she would be closely working with their customers to take in technical support and new connection requests. The ideal candidate should be able to speak English, Hindi and Kannada languages. Their 1 week rigorous training program will ensure that the executive is able to handle the customer and resolve problems quickly. So this is the job description. Please check with this. Interested candidates, you can visit this website link and get more detailed information about this job position, and also you can apply using this website link. Next, there are openings from Airspace Broadband. They are hiring for sales executives. It is located in Udupi location, Karnataka. They are looking for an energetic executive to lead their sales effort by reaching the right customers. The ideal candidate should be able to speak Hindi, Kannada and English and would be responsible for driving sales in Udupi and Manipal locations. So with a 1 week training in sales, the executive will be able to reach customers efficiently and convert them into long-term users of their service. So please check with the job description provided here, and interested candidates, you can apply through the website link provided here and get more detailed information about this job position. Next, there are openings from Food Jojo. They are hiring for customer care executives. For this, they are going to provide all these positions. Telecallers are client and customer relationship representatives. They are hiring for all these positions, and you should be passionate towards sales, excellent communication skills, capable of handling incoming and outgoing calls, resolving customer complaints, handling face-to-face inquiries from customers, capable to handle the team, interrelationship skills. These are the skills and responsibilities needed for this job position. Please go through it once. For this job position, qualification will be inter with the BPO experience is most welcome, or else 1 year of experience is needed for this job position. Please check with the all information provided here. You can visit this website link for detailed information about this job position, and also you can apply using this website link. Next, there are job openings from App Insight Technology. App Insight Technologies, they are looking for content writer. So they are offering a salary for this position is 10,000 to 12,000 rupees per month. It is a very good job for the freshers. So please, you can check all the detailed information provided here. Interested candidates, you can visit this website link provided here, and you can also apply using this website link provided here. Next, there is a job opening for telecaller executive from the same company, App Insight Technologies. They are going to offer a salary range between 10,000 to 12,000 rupees per month. They are looking for a telecaller having excellent communication skills and convincing power, and should be comfortable interacting with clients, providing them product knowledge in detail. So they must be confident, comfortable presenting services over the phone as well as dealing with complaints and doubts. So these are the requirements for this job position. And coming to skills required, good communication skills in English and Hindi, telemarketing, sales, telecalling, lead generation, cold calling, excellent negotiable convincing power. These are the skills required for this job position. Please go through it once. Interested candidates, you can visit this website link and apply using this website link and get more detailed information about this job position. Next, there is a job opening for creative content writer from Global Delight. It is located in Udupi location. So for this job position, both freshers or experienced candidates most welcome. 1 to 3 years of experience is needed, and please check with the responsibilities given here. You can visit this website link and get detailed information about this job position. Next, there is a job opening for quality controller from Data Tree IT Services. It is located in Udupi location. 2 to 3 years of experience is needed for this job position. Coming to education qualification, UG undergraduates, I mean any graduates and or diploma holders in any specialization is needed for this job position. Desired candidate profile. These are the skills needed for this job position. The candidate should have excellent communication skills and should have an experience in LPO process as process executives on papers. So minimum 2 years is needed experience. So good analytical ability is required for this job position. Please check with the all skills provided here, and for further information you can contact with the given email ID, and interested candidates you can send your resumes to the provided email ID. Next, there is a job opening for creative designer from the same company, Global Delight. For this job position, 2 to 3 years of experience is needed. So please check with the responsibilities provided here. Please read all the responsibilities carefully, and interested candidates, so you can visit this website link and get more detailed information about this job position. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. Thanks for watching the video.